Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to turn on, turn off on device mode for the Translate app to the Translate offline. Let me show you. So first of all, you have to download the Translate if it's not available on your iPhone. It should be mentioned from Apple. And then you're going to the settings. Going to the settings, and then you're going to see here the cellular data, language, and download language on device mode. So mention here always the translate offline using download language. Offline translate may not be accessed as online translation. Siri and Safari will always process translation online. So I put activate on, and also I make sure I download the language that I needed. Like either can press here like French to download it, it will download. Depends about which country you're gonna go, or which colleagues or friends, which language they're speaking. So if you want to delete any language from here, you can press this minus, and it's showing the delete, and you can press it. So if I download the Arabic, English, Turkish. So this is all the languages available right now. In the future, they will add more language, so you can download it. So I press done. So you still downloaded the French one. So this is all about for today. See you for next video.